Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install PgAdmin 4 on Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS version. Then we will connect to PostgreSQL server. PgAdmin is the most popular GUI tool for the PostgreSQL server. Let's open a browser, then go to pgadmin.org. See here, PgAdmin is the most popular feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL. The most advanced open source database in the world. Okay, so scroll down. See here we have the download. Then for Ubuntu we have to click on this apt. We can install PgAdmin on any one of these Ubuntu operating systems. These are the commands to install PgAdmin 4 on Ubuntu. Also see here we have the two types of PgAdmin modes, desktop mode and web mode. Okay, so we will install both the modes on Ubuntu 24.04.2. Okay, for that first we have to set up the repository. So copy this entire line, copy, then open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. It is done. Now create the repository configuration file. Copy entire line, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now install the PgAdmin 4. See here, if you want to install both the modes, we have to run this command. If you want to install only desktop mode, we have to run this command. If you want to install only web mode, we have to install this one. So I want to install both the modes. So run the command Ctrl L sudo apt install PgAdmin 4. Hit enter. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Click on show applications. See here we have the PgAdmin 4. Okay. Now open PgAdmin 4 desktop version. Click on it. Now click on add new server or right click on servers. Then register. Then select server. Then here we have to provide the name. Name can be anything. PG174. Then here we have to give the PostgreSQL installed server name or IP address. I have installed PostgreSQL on this PC, so you can give localhost or IP of this machine, or just give localhost and click on save. See, we have successfully connected. Expand it, expand databases. See here we have these databases, and bank is the user database. If you want to see the logins or group rows, you have to click on here. Right, if you want to run queries against this one, just right click on database, query tool. Then here we can run the queries. Then run the query by clicking on this execute script. See, we got the output. Okay, this is by using desktop mode, but we have another mode, that is web mode. Okay, to use web mode, first we have to run this command. Copy this one, go to the terminal, Ctrl L, paste it, hit enter. Wait a moment, it is creating configuration database. Provide any email, provide the password which is required, confirm the same, and then it will populate the script. Type and hit enter. Okay, see, this is the URL. Okay, so copy it, new tab, paste it, hit enter. Sorry, it is not copied, so copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now give the user whatever here we have given, that is email address. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Not now. See, in the same way we got the same console like desktop, but this is web mode. Right click, register, then server, then give the 17.4, then give the connection, go to connection, then go to connection. Then here we have to provide the localhost or IP or hostname, here username, then provide the password of this user, then click on save. See, we have successfully connected. See, we got the same database. Okay, see, we got the same list. If you want to run queries, right click, Right click on database, query tool. See, we got the same query tool. Okay. So this is the way to install. So in this video, this is the way to connect to PostgreSQL by using web mode. So in this video, we have seen how to install PgAdmin 4 and connect PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04.2. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.